Tucked away in the emerald heart of northeast India lies a state called Meghalaya, the abode of clouds. This enchanting land hides a secret marvel unlike anything else on earth. Living root bridges crafted by the hands of nature and the ingenuity of the Khasi people. Deep within these rainforests, we find the most iconic of these living bridges. Today we are traveling to the double-decker root bridge of Nongriat, one of the most famous ones in the area. The journey to the double-decker root bridge is an adventure in itself. You'll descend and ascend over 3,000 steps, immersed in the symphony of the rainforest. Every step reveals a new shade of green, a hidden waterfall, or the song of an exotic bird. Centuries ago, the Khasi people discovered how to guide the aerial roots of the Ficus elastica tree, creating bridges that grow stronger with time. The double-decker root bridge is a testament to their patience and understanding of the natural world. Its two levels, intertwined like something out of a fairy tale, offer a passageway over a pristine river. This bridge isn't just a spectacle, it's a vital connection for the villagers of Nongriat. To walk across, it is to feel the living pulse of the forest, a reminder that humans and nature can coexist in incredible ways. Below the bridge, a natural pool beckons. Its cool waters are the perfect place to rest weary feet and marvel at this extraordinary feat of bioengineering. The double-decker root bridge of Nongriat is more than a tourist destination. It's a symbol of resilience, innovation, and the profound beauty of the natural world. If you are a lover of nature, an adventurer, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of our planet, this is a place you need to experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you've loved this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Nature Connection for more adventures into nature. Until next time, keep exploring.